A user calls the IT team and says, "I can't access the internet." You check the security policy, it looks fine. You check NAT, it also looks correct. So what's wrong? Instead of guessing, let's follow the packet. In this video, you'll learn exactly how a packet travels through a Palo Alto firewall, stage by stage, and how to troubleshoot it when something goes wrong. Here's our setup: a user's PC, connected through a switch, into a Palo Alto firewall, out through a router, to the internet. Every communication starts with a packet. Whether you're opening Google, accessing Microsoft 365, or connecting to a VPN, everything begins with a packet leaving your computer, hitting the switch, and arriving at the firewall. The firewall doesn't immediately forward the packet. First, it needs to inspect it. Think of the firewall as a security checkpoint at an airport. Every packet is checked before it's allowed to continue. Let's break down exactly what that inspection looks like. Step 1. The interface receives the packet, and the firewall notes which zone it came from. Step 2. A route lookup determines which interface and next hop the packet should exit through. Step 3. The security policy lookup checks source zone, destination zone, source and destination address, application, and service. If no rule matches, the packet is denied by default. Step 4. NAT processing translates the source or destination address if an NAT rule applies. This is critical, because without it, return traffic often can't find its way back. Step 5. App ID identifies the actual application in the traffic, regardless of port. This is what lets Palo Alto tell the difference between real HTTPS and something disguising itself as HTTPS. Step 6. Security profiles, antivirus, anti-spyware, vulnerability protection, and URL filtering. Inspect the content itself for threats. Step 7. If everything passes, the firewall creates a session, and the packet is finally forwarded out. Now let's troubleshoot a real issue. The user can't browse the internet. Let's walk through the exact same checklist an engineer would use. First, check the interface. Run show interface Ethernet 1/1, it's up, so that's not it. Next, check the route. Run show routing route. A default route exists, so traffic can leave the firewall. Next, check the security policy. Run test security policy match source, destination, port, protocol. The rule allows the traffic, so that's not the problem either. Now check NAT. Run test NAT policy match with the same source and destination, and here's the issue: no NAT rule matches. The packet leaves the firewall with a private IP address, and the internet has no idea how to route traffic back to that address, so the connection fails. Let's fix it. Create a source NAT rule translating the internal subnet to the firewall's public interface address, using dynamic IP and port. Commit the change, and test again with test NAT policy match. Now it matches. Check the session table with show session all filter NAT source. Traffic is flowing, and the user is back online. Whenever traffic doesn't work, don't guess. Follow the packet step by step: interface, route, security policy, NAT, app ID, security profiles, and session. Understanding packet flow and knowing the right commands to check each stage helps you identify exactly where communication breaks and fix it fast. In the next episode, we'll cover security policies plus real troubleshooting.